my channel. I am MARICITACOLOURS in English.
Hello my dear friends, today I will make in crochet this beautiful headband with the double treble crochet. I didn't finish my headband because I will show you how to close. This headband can be for all the size. I will give you the size later. I will use this yarn, the hook number 3,50 millimeters, scissors, and a needle for sew the yarn. Here in my thread I have 13 double treble crochet, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 13. And from the wide is almost 9 centimeters. I will make my pattern with 9 chains plus 5 chains. I make the 5 chains here into the 5th chain. I will make the first double treble crochet. Here I mark in the 5 chain. I involve 3 times the yarn over the hook. We insert, we bring 1 loop, we let a little loose the yarn over, we pass for 2 loops, yarn over, we pass for 2 loops, yarn over, we pass for 2, and yarn over, and we pass for the last 2 stitches. Again in slowly come. I involve 3 times the yarn over the hook. We insert, we bring 1 loop, we let a little loose the yarn over, we pass for 2 loops, yarn over, we pass for 2 loops, yarn over, we pass for 2 loops, and yarn over, and we pass for the last 2 stitches. From here we start to repeat in every chain 1 double treble crochet. Here I have 9 double treble crochet and I will make the last in the last chain. I make the double treble crochet. Now for begin the next row I will make 5 chains that represent the first double treble crochet. We turn the crochet work and we skip this stitch and we go into the next and I will make 1 double treble crochet. The important is that we have the same number of the double treble crochet in every row. Here I have 10 in the first row, so in the second I must have 10 double treble crochet too. The chains of the begin are the first double treble crochet. So we must repeat until finish the row. have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And the last double treble crochet I will make in the chain of the edge, the 5 chain. And we make the last double treble crochet. Now we make 5 chains for begin the next row. These 5 chains are the first double treble crochet. We turn the crochet work, we skip the first stitch that is from these chains and we go into the next. And we must make again the 10 double treble crochet. Now only you must repeat the rows until have the long that you prefer. Here I let you the size approximately. I have 38 centimeters approximately. That is a size for babies until 3 years old. So this is the 38th row and I will finish this row and I will close the headband. I must have 13, 6, 8, 10, 12, and the 13 I make in the 5 chain of the previous row. And I finish to make the double treble crochet. And for close, I will cut the yarn and I will let some centimeters for join the headband. I pass the yarn into the last stitch and I close. I push a little for that my work is uniform. The front of my work is where is the yarn of the beginning. In the right side, this is the front. So I join front with front and I will use the long yarn and I will make front in front 1 single crochet. First I pass the yarn and I make 1 chain like the first single crochet and front in front I will make 1 single crochet. With this stitch I will close my headband. If you want to make 1 headband for adults, you must make approximately 48 centimeters. I will finish to close the headband and I will back for sew the yarn. Now I will close, I only pass the yarn into the last stitch and I push for that my work is uniform and ready. This is the reverse of our headband. Now with the needle I will start to sew. This is the reverse of my work. And we have ready our beautiful headband with this nice double treble crochet. It's very nice and easy to make. I want to invite you to subscribe here in my channel Maricita Colors in English. It's total free. Remember, activate the bell when you subscribe for that you can receive the post when I have a new video in my channel. You can find me too in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you like this video, you can give one like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you very much to all the persons that always watch my videos, and we see us in my next crochet or knitting pattern. Ciao, ciao!